something that fell on me. I don't know what.
Yeah, I have one in my leg too. I think they're probably like a baby frog or something.
That's nasty.
Who made that one?
Having an iPhone 5 is awesome.
That's it? No. Oh, God, I was about to say.
I'm like, I waited.
Hours for this girl.
Towards the ending, all of them go really, really fast. So then you know.
It's a rainbow.
Jennifer.
Hey.
Aisha. Laisha.
You call her Aisha?
I confused them. Because Laisha, Aisha, Aisha. I miss you, Aisha. That's how you know.
Bitch bone ass with a bone.
I mean, I'm recording. I'll probably post it on Facebook. They're starting to go fast. I don't know when they're finished.
They go really, really fast.
Oh, that looks like a phone. Oh, so you mean
Ah, you saw a bee? You didn't see the bee? They made it like a bee. Oh, I'm making squares now.
I still smell that cigarette. Or cigar. They are really, really good.
God. Next year we're bringing chairs.
In a tent.
Imagine in a pan.
Take a bed.
What's the point of the freaking AC if it's the air's just gonna be like going nowhere? Now we're gonna become friends with those neighbors over there.
A rainbow! Mira. It is a rainbow. A flower.
You know, you gotta be really smart to make fireworks. Oh, look at those.
Oh, pig!
Those are cute.
Those are the colors that I had. No frog!
They're right there.
Let's just start making shapes.
Is that a turtle? Right there.
Where?
I don't know. It's just my imagination.
That one looked like a turtle for a second.
Mike.
That one's pretty. We're so out here for New Year's, Jennifer.
Yeah?
I heard.
New Year's.
Where? Oh yeah, we should go to New York. With their cop fronts. With their cop fronts, so we can be safe. Tell your dad.
It's coming from space.
trying to get me to carry you, huh?
You don't have to.
I can't even see them.
Okay, you have it.
Oh my god.
How come it does that? Oh, yeah, mira.
I like how that light looks green on my screen. Look, it looks green.
Yeah.
Oh, so pretty.
I used to end. I'm bored.
You know, fuck it.
It's going on YouTube.
I don't give a shit.
Look how adorable.
Sí, solo se ven en la cámara. Oh my god, it's getting so big and so close.
I'm a bad Oh well, I'm too tired. I've been standing here for like 2 hours.